In order to teach competencies competently online, it's important to use instructional design techniques. Instructional design is the practice of creating instructional experiences which make the acquisition of knowledge and skill more efficient, effective, and appealing. The most common technique is the ADDIE model. A for analyze, the two D's stand for design and develop, I is for implement, and E is for evaluate. It's important that you analyze your audience in terms of demographics as well as prior knowledge. This is to ensure that they're able to receive the information you're providing from an andragogical standpoint as well as a technological one. The design phase is both challenging and fun. This is where you choose the information that is vital in order to gain the competency through a specific systematic process. Chunks of information are created based on measurable objectives. A storyboard allows the developer to see the flow of each of the mandatory components of the design. The development phase is where the information is actually input into the learning management system with all the bells and whistles. This includes interactive materials such as games, branching, and videos. Implementation is where the action happens and the course goes live. If all goes as planned, the learners actually want to engage in the learning experience because it takes them from the edge of their current knowledge and gives them bite-sized chunks of information that moves them towards a new competency. Evaluation concerns not only finding out if the students learned something, but if all the material within the course was needed, if something else needs to be added, and how the learners engage with the material. Much of this is done with available analytics from the learning management system. In traditional classroom settings, professors spend a great amount of time giving out information that can be found on Google. In online courses, the role of the professor changes from purveyor of information to facilitator of learning.
Welcome to class, everybody. I'd like for you to pay attention to me for the next 3.5 hours while we talk about things that you're incredibly interested in, and we'll have a 15-minute break. Welcome!
A hybrid course built with sound ADDIE principles encourages students to learn small chunks of information on their own and uses synchronous sessions to link those information chunks together in a way that increases skills and competencies. Instructional design is not just about plugging in a traditional course online. It's about creating and structuring content in an efficient, effective, and appealing way in order to inspire students to learn.